Welcome to today's edition of the 600 Seconds of Trading. My name is Alejandro Zambrano, and I'm the head of Trade Captain and Amana Capital Research. Good, I can see that we're up and running, so guys, thank you, and thank you for joining me here at the live trading room here at tradecaptain.com. About this time, Monday to Friday, we usually provide you guys with a free market update on the main currency pairs. So we're going to take a look at the euro dollar, Bitcoin, gold, crude oil, and the DAX 30. If you have anything to say, like a simple hello, then you can use the chat box. You need to be signed in to YouTube to be able to use this little box. Okay, let's begin. We have 600 seconds. Alright, this is the euro versus the USD, and the market is trading sideways between 117.12 and 119.64. You can see here that on this daily chart the price is converging into some sort of a narrow range, and it's just very difficult to trade when the markets are like these. And that is why I said yesterday that if we trade below 117.12, let's turn bearish. On the other hand, if we trade above 119.64, we can go to the upside. Why? Well, because when you usually take out a high like this one, the price is just going to target the next high. And because the overall trend is bullish, it makes sense that if we take out this level, we can hit higher. On the other hand, we're working with this overall trend, and it's been in place since the beginning of the year. And I don't actually think it's going to break like right now, but if we take out 17.12, we take out this low here, and that should just allow price to go down a little bit more, maybe to the next support level. So for now, it's waiting. I mean, that's what I would do. Okay, so this is the price of Bitcoin, and this is actually my old outlook. It's not the latest one. For some reason, I have problems with my charts, so the setups don't actually save properly. So this is the price of Bitcoin, and as you might remember, yesterday I said if we take out this high, this market could rally up, maybe up to something like 2,000. Sorry, 20,000. That makes perfect sense. Price is consolidated a bit, and if we take out the high, you might have a little bit of a push to the upside. It's probably not going to be very strong, but it's slowly going to move up higher and higher and higher. On the other hand, the alternative is that we have some sort of a pullback. This is the overall, trend defining level, and I think if we move down, maybe, sorry about that, if we move down to about 14,500 or so, I think traders are probably going to look to go along for low levels. But the way it works right now is that most likely, take out that high, and the market hits the upside. What a lot of people will most likely do is that they're probably gonna, if they go long here, their initial stop loss orders are gonna be down here. So that is my outlook for Bitcoin. Here's the price of crude, and the crude oil is being very difficult to trade, at least in the short term. As you might know, I was looking for this to head. Sorry, I was looking for this to actually push lower here. Push up after these 3 days, but instead the market declined strongly, and any bullish position would have been stopped out, and then we're back now into the middle. So trading here again with very short-term charts doesn't make any sense to me. The market is however trading sideways, and if we break below 56, the market here can go lower. On the other hand, if we take out 58, 57, the market could head up. So like down and up. Here's the price of gold, and gold, I suspect, if you look at it from a daily time frame, that this market will most likely continue to trade lower. We had a breakout here from these levels, and we had a failure of the short-term trend here, as you know. But if you look at it from a daily chart, I think this can go up a little bit more, and then we'll see. I have a suspicion that around 1261, traders are going to look to sell again. So I would look for a reversal in this zone. So wouldn't necessarily just sell as soon as we reach the sell zone, but look for price in the sell zone, see how, if it actually starts to roll over, and if it does, I think this could be potentially beginning of a decline again. Finally, here's the DAX 30. Now, DAX 30 is unfortunately, fall back into its range really. My idea was that a few days ago I said if we take out this high here, the market could go up, and then I was expecting it to go down, which it did, and then I was hoping for this to, push to the upside. However, though, as you can see here, the market went up a little bit and then just pushed back to the range here. So, which is not ideal, and unfortunately, there's not too much to do about it. And I think if we take a step back here, I guess it looks to me that we are stuck in this range here. This is resistance, and this is support. So maybe you're just back in this range. That's the way it looks like right now, at least. But for now, I'm gonna give this little trend, the benefit of the doubt. And as long as you trade above this low here, then I suspect the market could head to the upside like this. Take out this low, it's not going to be the end of the world. It's probably going to go a little bit lower, but we would definitely have ended whatever little bullish momentum we had here. Okay, that, guys, concludes today's market update. Tomorrow I'll be back at 9 a.m. Sorry, not tomorrow. On Monday I'll be back at 9 a.m. as I usually am. I want to thank you so much for watching this, and please help me out. Please share on Twitter about these events, and maybe mention it to people, do some retweets and things like that. As well, don't forget to follow us on YouTube. That gives you a notification as soon as I'm live. Alright, have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you.